Hello, my name's Roy Smith, and I'm going to make some sound effects here for you.
A mule? Horse? A raccoon? A squirrel? A chipmunk?
It ain't much of a chipmunk there.
An owl?
Alright, let's see here. Ow, woo, ow, woo, ow, woo, 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 ow, 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 woo, 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 woo.
A turkey?
Turkey time.
A calf? Cow? A bull?
That kind of got into my bull.
Yeah. Peacock? A crow? Killdeer? What's that?
Killed a bird.
Okay. A monkey?
Monkey.
A dog?
Yeah. I'll just kind of lead up all the way up to it.
What about a puppy dog? A little puppy.
Well, that was kind of the pup,
Yeah.
I guess.
Right. And the cat? What about a dog and a cat fighting?
Oh, there we go. Get out of here.
And a chicken? mosquito or a gnat? A pig?
A pig.
Baby croc?
Well, people don't know what that is. I just heard that on Nature Show. And I just got it.
Wildcat?
Just, just a wildcat.
A deer? Baby chick? A dove or a pigeon? Songbirds?
I'll try to do a purple martin if I can.
Alright.
And let's see, I can probably do a crackling blackbird, I think I did. And let's see, cardinal.